Welcome back to FixGenie. If your Lenovo laptop Wi-Fi is slow or your internet speed is not as fast as it should be, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you some simple settings that can help increase your Wi-Fi speed on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, click the search icon and type Control Panel, then open it. Click on Category. Now click Network and Internet, then open Network and Sharing Center. From the left side, click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on Wi-Fi and select Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the following values. Preferred DNS, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS, 8.8.4.4. Then click OK. Now click Configure. Before continuing, I'm using the Intel Wireless AC 9560 Wi-Fi adapter. If your laptop has a different Wi-Fi adapter, some settings may have different names or may not be available. Now open the Advanced tab. If you see Preferred Band, change it to Prefer 5 GHz band. Set channel width for 2.4 GHz to Auto. Set channel width for 5 GHz to Auto. If you see Throughput Booster, set it to Enabled. Now click OK. Your Wi-Fi adapter will restart for a few seconds. After reconnecting, you should notice better Wi-Fi performance, especially if you're using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. That's it. I hope this video helped you increase your Wi-Fi speed. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more Lenovo laptop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.